Okay, guys, it is the time for the $500 trading tips, and we will be checking these out right here in this video. However, before we go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you are getting from it, kindly subscribe to this channel right now. Like this video and share this video with friends and family. If you have any question at all, you can drop your question for me in the comment section or you reach out to me via WhatsApp. I will be there to reply. These are the assets I will be checking out. Everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you are not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the charts before you can follow up with the analysis. Okay, so quickly, let's go straight into what we are right here, starting with GainX 1200. Okay, guys, this is GainX 1200. We are on 15-minute time frame, and of course, we are using the custom made indicator 3M custom made indicator to do my analysis right from here. So, if you are having, kindly tag along with the analysis. Okay, so let's do this together. So, just like I have explained yesterday, that this support zone at this point, and it's bought till it got to the resistance zone. So, it was unable to break out from this resistance zone, so it switched back into a downtrend right from here. So sorry, let me see if I can get this. Okay, okay, so it switched back into a downtrend at this point and gave us a sell signal. So this should have been our entry point, and of course, right here should have been the stop loss. Okay, so we can have some highlighted TPs. Okay, so I'm expecting this to get to this region or to try to get to this region. So we can have some more TPs in between. Okay, so I'm expecting it to achieve this TP and also this before getting here. Okay, so these are some highlighted TPs for us for gain X 1200. That is if it does not go back to retest the resistance zone, but for now it is still selling. Okay, so this is going to be more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. The next asset is going to be gain X 999. Let's check it out together. Okay, guys, this is Gain X999. For like 2 days now, we've been expecting this to go on uptrend, just the way we have analyzed it. So it got to the support zone at this region, and it played around there for a very long time. And finally, it broke out above the resistance spot, and of course, it has been buying since then. So yeah, as you can see, it has achieved our first TP and second TP, and of course, it is there to achieve more. Okay, so this is still buying at the moment. So this is going to be more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. Next asset is going to be Paynex 1200. This is Paynex 1200. And of course, we have also been expecting this to go on uptrend, try to go on uptrend, achieve just the first TP, and came back down to break out below the support zone. So right now we need to adjust our settings. Okay, so it has gotten to the support zone again, switching back into an uptrend again. This time around, we still do not know how far it's going to go, but first I am expecting it to get to this particular spot. Sorry, first. Okay, and if it breaks out from there, then we should expect it to get to this region, then thereafter this spot. Okay, then we can now be looking at this and this. Okay, so these are some highlighted TPs for us. That is if it goes into full trend, I mean full uptrend. Okay, so we expect it to achieve all these sections. Okay, so this is very, very important. Okay, so this is buying at the moment and we expect it to buy more. Next asset is going to be Paynex 999. Let's check it out together. This is Benex 999. This had been on downtrend right from the resistance zone, and it sold till it got to this particular support region. Okay, it sold till it got to this region, and it's still selling right now because as you can see, it's still on downtrend. So we are hoping that if it's unable to break out from here, then it will switch back fully into an uptrend. But if it breaks out below it, then it will keep on selling. Okay, so these are some of the things that we should take note of. But for now, it is still selling. The last asset is going to be FX volume 80. Let's check it out together. This is FX volume 80. It started an uptrend right from this support zone and it has gotten to the resistance zone and was unable to break out from there. So, like I always do, the first thing is to highlight the resistance zone and, of course, to see if it will break out above it. Okay, but right now it has given us a downtrend signal. So with a sell signal, this should have been our entry point and our stop loss, but we don't know if it's going to pull back and retest the support zone. I mean, this resistance zone. If that happens, then definitely we will have to wait for that to see if it's going to break out above the resistance zone or switch into a downtrend. However, uh, if this goes into a downtrend totally, I am actually expecting it to get to this region, but this place is also very, very important. And we can also highlight some TPs in between, okay, just for quick um, profits, okay. So, guys, that is it. So, these are all that we are able to get today. So, this is another setup for us today. And we hope that things will turn out in our own direction. Okay, so let's see how it goes. Let's see how we can benefit more from this. I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you, courtesy Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video and share this video with friends and family. Okay, so if you are yet to subscribe, kindly subscribe right away. I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you, Qora Digital Cash. Thank you.